How to add text in VN Video Editor. All right, guys, so here's how you can easily go about this. Once you've opened up a project you'd like to work on, where we have add subtitle, basically just click on this option, and now you can begin adding text or SRT files, but we're here for the text. So click on text, and you get to add text that are either headings, subheadings, little bodies of text, or you could use your recently used text. You could also try covers, you could try titles, subtitles, different formats for the text option. There are a lot of options you could go with. You could go with memos, you could go with messages, you could even go with bubbles. So let's say we want to go with this here. All you need to do now is just go ahead and click on edit, and you can change the context of the text. So all you need to do here is just simply enter what you want. And now we've entered what we need to enter for our text, and then just simply click on the check mark here. And once you play the video, it's going to show. All right, guys, so that's how you can easily go about that.